All right, TikTok. Sorry for the wait. Sorry for the noise. It's raining. But I'm hyped. Okay, this is why I'm hyped. If you don't know what that is the axle for this car. So that means we're almost finished, right? Boom. So we just gotta get this put on, because I'm not putting it on. I seen the process. I know I said I was gonna do it all myself. I can't do it. I ain't got the parts. So what I'm gonna do is get it put on so we can start this damn process. Because I know this has been way too long. Like way too long. But the way I work is I'm not gonna do a project if I don't finish the important stuff first. The inside, that don't really matter. Everything that needs to work matters. So I really need that to work. So it's here. I'm hyped. We gotta see it though. There she is, guys. And I gotta thank carparts.com again because I got this really cheap. Really cheap. They gave me a discount I couldn't deny. So I was like, got to get it. So that's how I got it. So, yeah, you gotta go on carparts.com for anything for your vehicle. I mean, anything. Because this part was expensive. And they gave me a discount. They sent it through a text message, and I clicked it, and I typed that back in to see if I can get it. That price was so low, I just had to get it. So remember, go to them too. So I'm guessing that's the end of this video. That's so sad. Well, y'all waited this long, so I'm not gonna make y'all wait any longer. So when I get this fixed, we're on to the inside. Everything. We're gonna do everything on the inside. We're gonna do the headliner, all of that stuff. And update again. Remember when I said it was another problem? I just unplugged the battery, plugged it back up, it was fixed. So it wasn't an alternator to the guy who said it was or it might be, but thank you anyway. But that's it. Just had to update y'all. Toodles.